Hello there guys, welcome to day 4 of the Unreal Engine 4 7-day game challenge. This time we are making an RPG and let's jump straight into day 4. Sorry about that. Covering a little bit of stuff that's going on day 4. Today's been mostly fixes and I'll explain why. So I was playing the game and I ran through the level, yada yada yada, killed the goblins, whatever, adventured on up here, went through the upstairs door into the portal and then realised, shit, everything I've done has just been erased, so all my levels have been reset back to the defaults, so I needed a saving system that carried your progression between levels. So that has been the work of today, and that consists of just a second here, these two two bits here. So we've got a saving system. I've covered how to make this in another tutorial, so if you want to know how to do this, you can skip back through my tutorials and see this. This is basically an enhanced version of that, so it takes all of the variables, saves them, and then on begin play we load them again. That sets our location, how many potions we have, our level, experience needed to level up again, yada yada yada. We also have this blueprint which takes and makes arrays of all of the doors in the game, because now the doors, so if I just need to delete the save game actually, just go ahead and delete that so I can start fresh. Okay, so if I if you notice here that this door is locked, there was a point that you would unlock the door, save the game, and then the doors would all be locked again. So if I just save the game here now and I hit play, you'll notice that I play from here and the door is unlocked still, so that still works. I've still got the same amount of potions, etc. So if I use that potion now, hit K, and then play again, you'll see that I still don't have any mana potions. I'm back exactly where I was. Yeah. So we got that. That's basically a requirement that I needed to do. Also, there was a system whereby, if you got enough XP to level up multiple times, it wouldn't actually level you up multiple times. It would just do it once. So that was like a bug. So I fixed that. So let's just give these guys a ton of XP. So they give you so much XP right now. And we're just going to run in and kill these little dudes. So we're level 1 at the minute, as you can see down there on the UI. In fact, also, here's another little thing I can demonstrate while we're doing this. That are the beginning workings of a talent system. So you can hover over this and it says increases spell damage of basic spells by 50%, reduces mana cost of your spells by 10, that's supposed to be 10%. What I'm dreading doing is changing all the integers on the first person character over to floats so that I can do things like reduce them by 1%. Unless I just do them as integers and round the numbers and they let the numbers round off, I could do that, whatever. And this one's cool, so your basic ability now fires 2 shots instead of 1, so we'll take that. And this does carry over the save as well. So as you notice there, just quickly, it fires 2 shots now instead of the 1. So I can basically do pew pew. If I'm moving, you kind of spread them out a little bit more. Increased chance of hitting plus double the damage, right? They still don't attack you on health loss, so that's something I need to fix on them. I feel like I've been quite ambitious with this challenge. I've got a lot to do. Also, you notice that I just killed those 2 guys. My level is now 148. I will one-shot this next guy because my damage on my basic ability now will be absolutely ludicrous. So he's got 200 health, but we'll just ping and he's dead. So yeah, so we should now be able to... I've not actually tested this, so hold on. This is the moment of truth. Bollocks. I'm level 1 because it loaded the save from there. Okay. Right, so that just tells me that I need to make the portal save the game, save all the stats basically of the game. So when you reach the end portal, it should only save. Yeah, anyway, this is just debugging stuff now that I'm going through in my head. So today's really been about background stuff, getting the saving system in so that when you teleport through levels, it saves exactly where you are, puts you back, and such. When you're loading. Oh yeah, okay, so my mind's going now, like I'm really thinking about this a bit too much. So the enemies all have things like you can set their names, you can set the damage that they deal per hit, you can set the XP that you get from killing them. Let's just put that back before I forget that. You can set their mob level, which adjusts the health and the damage, and it doesn't actually just the damage that they do, but it adjusts the health that they have. So you can have different names with the same model. So they've got 2 goblin hoarders down there which give less XP, but they also hit for less. And this is a goblin fighter, the same model, but he's gives more XP. So you can kind of really name your mobs with this system. The idea is that I can release this project to everyone at the end of the game, at the end of this challenge when it's finished, and you'll be able to just drag and drop components into the world. So you'll be able to build your maps, and you'll be able to say, okay, I want an enemy, I'll put one here, he's going to do this amount of damage, he's going to be level 11, he's going to do whatever, he's going to be called this. Like, you'll just be able to drag and drop these things in, so that's how I'm really trying to set them up. So if it's sort of an RPG maker, I suppose, of sorts that I'm trying to build. But it'll be within the engine. But also, you know, I'll release a game at the end of it that is the small RPG that I will have made with the engine that I've built within Unreal Engine. So it's sort of Engineception at the moment. But yeah, it's a really short video for today. I'm going to wrap it up there. It's just really been background stuff today. I'm sorry that there's not too much to report on, but you know, this stuff's all got to be done. It's really essential for making sure that the rest of it all works correctly. So I will leave this video there. As always, please subscribe to the channel for future content, future updates on the game and on other tutorials. If you see anything you like and want a tutorial on, please leave me a comment in the description below. And as always, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.